Hello friends, welcome you all, and once again I came up with another unboxing video, and this time I have got some pens from Amazon. I just want to give present to my students, and therefore I got it. So hey guys, you are watching my YouTube channel, and my name is Milind, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. And you can see the packaging, that is the paper packaging, and now I'm unboxing the pens, and here you can see these are the Luxor's pen, the Luxor's LX Max pen, and you can see that these are the two sets of three pens. These are the two sets of the three pens, and I just want to bought this pen in order to give the gift to the my student, and I got it just for 127 rupee, and the two just for 242 rupees. I got it, and you can see here the ink is blue, and this is a very good roller ball pen. So let me put it this outside, and let's see the another pens. So actually these are the graphic pens from the Pilot, and I got it just for 124 rupees, and about it two sets. So in the one packet there are 12 pens, and I got two packets, so therefore there are 24 pens. So actually I have to give to my student, and you can see this is the first box, and another is the another box, and you can see the fine point is there, smooth writing, signing and fine drawing. These are the written over here, and you can see the packaging is sealed packed. The sealed packed. I just want to open one package here. Are in the separate packaging, and you can see the pen in this package. And guys, actually these are for the gift, therefore I don't want to take pen out of it, and I don't want to write from this pen. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can see such kind of videos regularly. Thank you for watching.